Hi, I'm Steph and we're here for lesson 27. So the first thing we're going to do this lesson is go over the work that students produced last lesson, where they had to look at winners and losers on all three levels of society: micro, meso, macro. And remember, they had those tables or bubble diagrams, or actually any form of representing that they wanted to use, and they were supposed to finish that for homework. So the first thing we do is go through that activity. The next thing we're going to do is talk about the role of technology. And in doing that, we want to explain to students what technology is all about. And we want to say pretty much that technology is in and of itself neutral. It's a neutral tool. What makes it good or bad is what people do with it and the context in which it's used. So we're talking there about people and context. Let me give you an example. If I were to give you my mobile phone and a stick and ask you which was the superior technology, you would probably choose the mobile phone. But if I were to place you in the middle of the Papua New Guinean jungle, where there's no phone connectivity, there's no internet, there's no power to charge your phone, and your phone is pretty much just a paperweight, you would probably choose the stick. So in that context, the stick becomes the superior technology. So what I'm saying there is that it's about how people use technology and the context in which it sits that makes technology good or bad, superior or unsuperior. So that's what we're going to talk about when we explain technology to the students. And then we're going to say, if technology is in fact a neutral tool, how is that technology being used in Papua New Guinea? And who's at fault? Who's at fault in Papua New Guinea? There's guns, there's mining technology, there's electricity. It's being used inequitably and it's causing problems. So where do those problems stem from? And you'll get that information from the video that you watched last lesson. If you need to rehash it, then that's fine. Go back and look over at the bits that you need to look over if students have forgotten what they watched last lesson. And then we're going to have a story sharing, a narrative. We're going to tell the story of the villagers that we looked at in that video last lesson. We're going to ask, how has technology affected their lives? So this narrative can be spoken or written, either is fine, but the idea is that we want students to construct a story from the point of view of those villagers in Papua New Guinea where the mine went in, and talk about specifically technology and how that's affected their lives. And that's lesson 27. Thanks.